Hello and welcome back to your one-stop channel for everything related to quantum computing. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting videos. In today's episode, we'll be exploring Riverlane's Anian Quantum Development Kit, a cutting-edge platform designed to empower quantum software development. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start with a brief introduction to Riverlane. Riverlane is a leading quantum software company, founded in 2016, with a mission to make quantum computing accessible and useful to everyone. With a team of world-class quantum experts, Riverlane has developed the Anian Quantum Development Kit, a platform that provides powerful tools for designing, simulating, and optimizing quantum algorithms. The Anian Quantum Development Kit is designed to help developers and researchers create and test quantum algorithms with ease. It supports multiple quantum languages, including Qiskit, Cirq, and Quill, making it highly versatile for users with different programming backgrounds. The development kit comes with a powerful quantum simulator, which allows you to simulate quantum circuits and test your algorithms before running them on actual quantum hardware. Now, let's explore the key features of the Anian Quantum Development Kit. Cross-platform compatibility. Anian works seamlessly across Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring a consistent user experience regardless of your operating system. High-performance simulator. Anian's quantum simulator can simulate quantum circuits with millions of qubits, making it possible to explore large-scale quantum algorithms. Noise modeling. The development kit includes advanced noise modeling tools, allowing you to simulate the effects of noise on your quantum circuits and optimize your algorithms for real-world quantum devices. Resource estimation. Anian provides resource estimation tools that help you gauge the computational cost of your algorithms, making it easier to optimize them for specific quantum hardware. Visualization tools. The development kit includes a suite of visualization tools that help you understand and debug your quantum circuits. To get started with the Anian Quantum Development Kit, head over to Riverlane's website and sign up for a free trial. Once you've registered, you'll receive access to their comprehensive documentation and tutorials, which will guide you through the installation process and help you become familiar with the platform. Let's take a look at a simple example of how to create and simulate a quantum circuit using the Anian Quantum Development Kit. Import the necessary libraries, define the quantum circuit, simulate the quantum circuit, visualize the results. And there you have it. With Riverlane's Anian Quantum Development Kit, you can harness the power of quantum computing and take your algorithms to the next level. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to Anian, and we can't wait to see what amazing innovations you'll create using this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quantum computing content. Thank you for watching.